Good morning, Market Masterclass. Class is in session. Thank you for tuning in every morning here to Market Masterclass. I am Kenyon Martin with you every morning before the market to give you my latest stock picks, see how some of the trends are happening on the U.S. markets, as well as a quick glimpse at the global indexes as well. As always, Market Masterclass, a great resource, and a quick glance, you can see the S&P 500, Dow, Russell 2000 are all looking a little bit bullish, whereas the NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange are down. Same can be applied with Europe. Looking down for the most part. Asia, Hang Seng and Sensex are doing okay, but for the most part it's been a pretty lateral week in the markets. But today is Friday, so we'll be looking at what we're going to look at today. But before that, as always, I like to put my money where my mouth is, give you guys a quick glimpse of what my portfolio is doing. I'm seeing a bit more red in there than I typically like to. I can see that portfolio is still doing all right. I'm up 20%. Can be contributed to a couple of really good trades. My last call was CLDX. You can check that for Wednesday. Bought 5,000 shares. It's already at 5%, so not so bad. Whereas Monsanto, just down 0.1%. Not that big a deal. Lloyd's Bank. That should be going up. That's a buy and hold for me. Office Depot is up. Mattel is down, and as you can see for yourself. So there's been a lot of good movement up here, obviously, with DUST. In fact, that was already up at 800%, and I'm still holding on to that one. Let it rise. Obviously, this was a good couple of weeks up here, but all in all, I'm happy with my portfolio, and I hope that you've been following me and doing some of these trades for yourself. So moving on today, what are we looking at? Well, the headlines are pretty much being dominated, of course, by what's going on in the world. You know, Apple, Samsung's $1 billion mistake. So I've been looking at tech and kind of wondering, you know, I want to diversify the portfolio a little bit. And this is a stock that I'm familiar with, and I have been watching it for a while. Ambarella, AMBA. Now, they actually make surveillance and camera equipment, for instance, for GoPro Inc., which is one of the major ones that they work with. But increasingly, elected officials are turning towards more surveillance as a solution to crime and terrorist threats. And actually, they came out with their quarter release just last week, and it was actually beat expectations, but surprisingly dropped quite a bit. So I think there's definitely room for it to get back up to its typical trading zone here. And when you look at the long term, you can see that it's been a good positive stock, and it's actually probably a really good buy opportunity with its recent drop. For really, I think it was not even a very well warranted drop in stock price. So I think it's a good time to buy AMBA right now, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be putting in 1,000 shares. No, I'm sorry, that's right. 1,500 shares at AMBA today, and you can tune in tomorrow to see how that's performing on my portfolio. And of course, do your own research, but this is looking good to me. You can read it for yourself. It's been actually chosen as the stock of the day on a few other people as well, so I'm not the only one who's been watching this stock. So AMBA, 1,500 shares right here, right now. This is Kenyon Martin. You heard it here first. I hope you all have a good day trading. Have a good day, and we'll do a full market recap at the end of the day's trading tonight, and I'll catch you Monday morning every way right here, Market Masterclass.